Hello everyone, looking to reduce waste and embrace a greener lifestyle? Mioeco offers a wide range of eco-friendly household alternatives, and today I'll show you how to save money while helping the planet. Mioeco is focused on sustainable living with everyday items made from organic cotton and reusable materials. Their products line includes reusable kitchen towels on paper towels and cloth napkins, produce bag and bulk food sacks, laundry bags and beeswax wraps. Everything is plastic free, machine washable, and shipped in zero waste packaging. These products are perfect for reducing your footprint in the kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room, all while saving in the long run. Mioeco has earned thousands of five-star reviews for their durability, absorbance, and minimalistic design. And using our referral link, you will get up to 50% off your first purchase. You'll also gain access to periodic green living bundles, free shipping offers, and seasonal deals. And also scrolling down almost at the bottom of the page, you will have the testimonial section with different customers feedback to understand how was it. You can also become a reseller, okay, so you can get in touch with a customer support and like find an agreement about it. So actually guys, this platform, this store is offering different and comfortable conditions both for those who wants to purchase and for those who wants to partner up with the website. So make sweetenable swaps easy and affordable. Go green with Mioeco and save today.